Hi mga lalabs! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Ayan. Ayan, so na-miss ko mag-makeup, no? So, magme-makeup tayo for today. Alam niyo kung ano yung gagawin ko. Mag-feeling akong Barbie, no? So, sabi ko na Barbie, no? So, ayun, nakapaglagay na pala ako ng foundation and then nag-contact lens na ako. Kasi pag naglalagay ako ng contact lens, umiiyak talaga ako, no? So, tinanggal ko muna yung luha ko dyan. And then, na rin ako, kilay, ayun. So, na-miss ko talaga mag-makeup. So, ayun. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, mag-umpisa na tayo, and then, maglalagay lang ako mga lalabs ng concealer using this Fit Me Maybelline. Ayan, so, maglagay lang tayo ng concealer muna, kasi yung eye bags ko, So, nakapaglagay na ako ng foundation, and then, maglalagay na lang tayo nito. Fit Me to, Fit Me, yeah. So, ang init ngayon, no? Grabe ang init ngayon dito sa Pinas. Sobrang... 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 sumpa ng katotohanan. So, ayan. Then, iaano ko lang yan. Kukuha tayo ng foam para i-mix yan. No? I-mix natin yan. So, i-mix natin yan. Kailangan yung i-mix yan para maganda yung flat. Ang flat. Yung sa face. So, using this foam na madumi na. So, kailangan ko na itong laban. No? So, maglalaban na tayo ng dito. Igaganyan ko lang sa dito. Ito kasi ginagamit ko lang talaga to pag naglalagay ako ng concealer. So, concealer lang naman yung nito. Iba kasi yung pang foundation na to. Iba yung ginagamit ko. So, one stick. Day 1 stick. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Ayan. So, maglalagay lang ako ng contour sa aking face. Lalagyan muna natin dito. Mamaya natin yan imimix. Mamaya natin yan hahaluin yung parang parang harina lang. So mamaya natin ayos yun. And then maglalagay lang tayo dito sa ating forehead. Mini Pro yung gagamitin ko, yung Beauty Creation Volume 4. So, Volume 4 ito. So, ito yung aking, diba? Ang gaganda. Ang gaganda ng mga shade niya. So, syempre, hindi mawawala dyan yung transition natin. Maka-transition na naman ako. No? So, hindi mawawala talaga ang transition sa aking mga lalabs. Kasi, transition, the best for me, no? The best for me. So, gagamitin ko transition yung chocolate mocha. Ito. Ayan, chocolate mocha. Using this brush. Ay, no, ito. Ito yung gagamitin kong brush pang transition. So, meron na siyang maliit na salamin. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Ayan, so magka-transition muna ako. She got the looks, the good. Oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go. Kasi hindi naman talaga makikita kasi pang-transition lang natin. And then, using this brush, itong brush na to. So, ito yung gusto kong gamitin, yung tint. So, ang shade nito, is Spoiled Routine. Spoiled Routine. Meron pa ganun. So, ano lang natin yan. So, mag-Barbie lang naman tayo, no? I want nobody but you. nakalimutan pala ako maglalagay ako ng steak. Dito na ako magsalamin.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you when you're down and better? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just be in your songs, songs, girl. I want nobody but you.
Tanggalin na natin. Ayan po, see? Hindi, maglalagay lang muna ako ng Benny Luxury Powder, yung banana. Ayan, banana siya. So, maglalagay lang ako nito para pang loose powder to. Loose powder. Maglalagay tayo niyan mamaya pagka na-blend yung aking so, ayusin ko lang yung aking and then kukuha ako dito ng shade na para dito sa aking lower lashes. Saan siya ilalagay? Yung loose powder, banana siya. Banana. So, loose powder din to na white, pero kasi ito kasi medyo malaki yung lagayan. So, dito ko na lang siya ilalagay para malaki yung space. Tapos using this foam, ayan, ito yung gagamitin kong foam. Ayan, ilalagay ko siya lang siya ng foam. Loose powder. Ilagay natin dyan. Kasi, para mano yung ating oil freeze. Ayan.
Girl, when I'm with you,
lang natin yan dyan.
that's so bright like a star in the skyline.
Ayan, dyan.
Para
makontrol yung ating oily face, no? So, nag-oil talaga yung face natin. Maglalagay lang ako ng dito sa lower lashes ko using this brush. Itong brush na to. Yung sobrang nipis na brush. Kukuha ko dito ng shade na on the rise. Ito. Itong parang purple. So, yan. Parang purple. Purple nga ito, no? Ayan ang ilalagay natin dito. Sa lower lashes, guys. So, hindi ko siya papares na kulay pink dito sa taas, no? So, maiba naman. So, magka-ala Barbie naman tayo, no? So, mamaya ayusin natin dyan. Ayusin natin yung mga lalabs. And then, anuin ko na yung aking contour. So, mimix na natin yun dyan. Ganunin lang natin. Using this brush. Brush foam. Ito na lang yung gagamitin kong foam. Gaganyan ko lang siya. Ayan. Huwag yung ugaliin na ganunin kaagad. So, parang ganyan lang. Parang nagmamasa lang kayo ng ng harina. Sa pantisan, no? Ayan, ganyan lang. Tapos yung dito, ganun din gawin yung mga lalabs. Ayan, ganyan. Para maganda yung lapat. O, ano niya, ang ganda ng lapat niya, diba? Pasensya nyo na kung may naririnig kayong pusa, no? Kasi may pusa dito sa kwarto. Naalagaan niya yung anak niya. Yung anak niya kasi pala napunta sa ilalim ng kama. Kaya pala naiyak yung nanay kasi yung anak niya nahulog sa kama. Napunta doon sa ilalim ng ng kama, no? Pumunta sa ilalim. Oh Lord. Hindi ko alam. Nakita ko na lang yung yung paano. So, ayan, ganyan lang natin yan. Tayo mga lalag. So, naglalagay muna pala ako ng para kunyari mahaba yung ating false eyelashes. Magki-create tayo ng ng fake. I want nobody but you. Para medyo naman may pagka ano yung ating Eyeshadow. O, diba? Compare nyo dito sa kabila. Naturally blonde. To. Yan yung shade na yan. Try natin ilagay din yan sa gitna. Oh, diba? Ang ganda, oh. Oh. Dito mga lalag. So, kailangan natin ingatan, no? Wag masyadong habaan. Nitong white na to, white lies. Yan, shade na yan. So, i-apply ko yan dito. Sa ating eyebrow. Lalagay tayo ng eyeliner. So, nakapaglagay na pala ako mga lalabs ng false eyelashes, yung fake eyelashes. So, maglalagay ulit ako ng contour using this. My favorite contour. So, ayan. Ito yung shade na gagamitin ko. Ayan. So, hindi ko masyado siya favorite, no? Hindi masyado bawas. So, using this brush, ito muna yung gagamitin kong brush. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dito muna. Kuha ako nitong highlighter na para siyang foundation, pero pwede nyo siya ilagay dito sa gitna. Yan. And then, mag-highlighter tayo and then blush on, no? Yun. So, nasobrahan naman yung aking paglagay. Blend lang ulit. Using this Tarte, ayan, blush on. So, ito yung aking gagamitin. Ayan. So, blush on. Lagyan lang natin dito. This highlighter, ito yung gagamitin kong highlighter. So, itong shade na to ang gagamitin ko. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Oh, walang salamin pala to. Akala ko may salamin siya. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa pinakadulo. And then, dito, i-ano lang natin, ikalat lang natin. Dito lang sa part na to, no? Ayan. At for my lipstick, I'm using this. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade to kasi burado na, no? Pero, donut. Donut nakalagay. So, color pink pa rin. O, diba? Barbie na ba si Kilay? O, diba? So, Ayusin ko lang yung aking, tapos mag-ano tayo, alam niyo na kung anong gagawin natin, no?
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please. If it rains, all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains, I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give,